Welcome to the Drexel University Library CINAHL tutorial. In this two-part tutorial, we're going to focus on finding information in CINAHL using subject headings. For our search topic, we'll be looking at low-protein diets for patients with chronic kidney disease. But first, I'm going to ask CINAHL for a little help. I'd like it to recommend a term from the CINAHL thesaurus based on the keywords that I enter. When CINAHL first receives an article, it assigns subject headings from a list of specialized vocabulary, so we know what the article is about. Now, knowing this vocabulary can be very helpful because we don't have to worry about guessing what keyword or synonyms for that keyword that the author might have used. So first, I'll place a check mark next to suggest subject terms, and then I'll enter my keyword, chronic kidney disease. I'm going to click on the search button to see what subject terms CINAHL suggests. And when I do that, I'll retrieve a list of terms, not a list of articles. We'll look at renal insufficiency chronic to see a little more about what this subject heading includes. When I do that, I'll get a tree view. The tree view will show me the subject heading I selected in relationship to other terms within the thesaurus. So I'll see terms that are broader, like renal insufficiency, as well as terms that are narrower, like kidney failure. If I click on the plus sign next to kidney failure, it'll show me terms that are narrower still. Now, I'm really interested in renal insufficiency as well as any of the narrower terms indented beneath it. So first, I'll click on the box next to renal insufficiency, and then I'll click on this explode box. This will include the terms that are narrower, indented beneath renal insufficiency. There are a couple of other options that I'm going to point out to you, but we're not going to use them for this search. For instance, if I wanted renal insufficiency to be a major focus of my results, I click in the Major Concept button. I could also target my search further by choosing one or more of the subheadings along with renal insufficiency. But at this point in my search, it's still early. I don't want to do anything that's really going to restrict my result set, so I think I'm just going to stick with searching for renal insufficiency chronic as a subject heading. And you can see that the explode button is checked, so any of the terms indented beneath renal insufficiency will be searched for as well. Now we'll look in CINAHL for our results by clicking on the Search Database button. And this is my first search set. I have more than 10,000 items that use renal insufficiency as a subject heading. But I still need to combine that with my second concept of low-protein diet. So please join us for our next video where we show you how to combine subject headings as well as a few other features of CINAHL subject heading searching. Thank you.